Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. In today's video, I will be sharing with you the secret things that happen to your body when you start drinking beetroot juice every day for 2 weeks. So sit back, relax, let's dive into the video.
And it goes a little something like
If today is your first time coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome. Welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to show some love to this video by giving me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, share the video if you like it, and to all my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you guys, I truly appreciate you. Beetroot juice contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that may improve blood pressure, protect the liver, boost athletic performance. And did you also know that a glass of fresh beetroot juice is all you need to glow from within? It purifies the blood by eliminating toxins and gives an instant skin glow. Offers great relief from sore and tight muscles. Beetroot juice helps alleviate sore, stressed, and tight muscles. This signifies that beetroot juice is a great post-workout drink. Great for liver detoxification. Take a constant effort to include beets into your everyday life to lighten the workload of the liver. Liver is one of the hardest working organs in the human body. Good for glowing skin. Beetroot juice helps make the skin look radiant, youthful, and female. The anti-inflammatory, antioxidants, and blood-purifying compounds present in beetroot work towards improving your health and well-being, which ultimately reflects on your skin. Blood tonic. Beetroot juice is excellent in removing toxins from the circulation. This veggies comes loaded with antioxidants and nitrates that increase the production of enzymes involved in removing the toxins. May helps reduce birth defects. Folic acid or folate is very important for pregnant women. A deficiency of which causes giving birth to infants with neural tube defects such as spina bifida. It can also lead to development disorder in infants or children. Hence, consuming either raw beetroot or beet juice in the 2nd to 3rd trimester ensures the folate requirement is met. Yes, we've come to the end of this video. Please, if you have not subscribed, this is the right time to do so. Please kindly subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment. Sure to see you in my next one. Bye.
I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her.